says what each endorsement is good for which grade levels. Elementary ed still, in this state, is still the old kindergarten to grade 8 generalist. You can teach all subjects. You might be lucky enough to have a PE specialist or a science specialist or an art specialist, but you might not. In some states, elementary ed is just a K through 5 or 6, but here it's still K through 8, although generally you're going to need a middle school specialty if you're going to teach in the upper elementary grades anymore. There is early childhood ed preschool to grade 3. We don't currently have that at Evergreen. The middle school endorsements, it's kind of like having a minor. If you were at a traditional school, it's kind of like having 24 to 30 credits that you specialized in math or science or middle-level humanities, combined English, social studies. So you've got some more depth than just the regular elementary teacher in that field. The secondary endorsements are actually good for grades 5 to 12, and it's kind of like having a major. So we're talking about approximately 45 credits. You've specialized in biology or physics or English language arts or history.